Hi, I'm Mark Wyrick with Sea Ray. We're here with the 2024 SPX 210 stern drive. One thing you'll notice that stands out right away is how this boat has the updated Sea Ray design language with the forward jaw line, S-shear line, the center crease, and the new Sea Ray pill logo. Let's go aboard here and check out this boat. Now we're on board the SPX 210. A few basic standard specifications. Length overall is 21'8". You have a standard 200 horsepower Mercruiser, or you can option up to the 250 horsepower Mercruiser with the Alpha 1 drive. You have an 8.5-foot beam, self-bailing cockpit, and the wet weight on this boat is just about 4,500 pounds. So at the transom back here, you'll notice this 4-step stainless steel ladder. It's neatly tucked away underneath this hatch lid. You have textured fiberglass down here for excellent grip. This boat's got your standard swim platform. You can also get an optional submersible swim platform that's manually controlled. Really big double wide lounge back here for lounging and coving, keeping an eye on the people playing in the water. You have a starboard side entryway, which is great from the ladder right into the cockpit. For water sports action, you have a standard stainless steel ski tow eye on the transom. You can also option this boat to get the sea deck on the platform as well. So as we make our way into the cockpit area through the walkthrough, there's this hatch down here. It's a great place to store your dock lines and fenders. This is also the location for your battery switch, which is standard. Another thing I really like in the walkway is this hatch. It allows you to store flip-flops or shoes or dock lines, and it's got a drain. When we're in the cockpit here, there's tons of storage. You have a built-in cooler in the back here. Your engine hatch is right under here. Your battery location is going to be on the port side. This is a self-bailing cockpit, which makes cleanup really easy. Any water that gets on the deck will just shed right off the boat. Over here on the port side of the boat, really nice L-shaped lounge, seating. This backrest is convertible from a rear-facing position to a forward-facing position. It's a really great spotter seat in the rear-facing position, or when you're just cruising, you can look forward, and you've got a nice stainless steel grab rail. The detail on the stitching is all new. Over here at the helm, you have a flip-up bolster seat. You have great visibility while sitting low, or if you flip the bolster up, it puts you up above the windshield line. Standard at the helm here is the NSX7 display. It's going to have your engine data, charts, things like that. You have a Fusion head unit control over here on the left-hand side, and switches for all your necessary features like your blower and nav lights. Over on the port side, it's a really well thought out glove box with a drain, and you have USB charging in here as well. There's USB ports throughout the boat, and not only are they USB-A, but they're also USB-C ports, so it doesn't matter as much as which charging cable you have. Another thing you'll notice in the cockpit is this boat's equipped with the Infinity flooring. You can get the Infinity in the gray like you see, or the brown or tan. You have two choices on the interior color, whether you want the stone or the dune upholstery. Another thing I really like about this boat is how much storage you have here on the port side, under the helm here. You have room for coolers, you have room for life jackets, extra fenders, towels, things like that. We're up at the bow now. One thing you'll notice is this built-in anchor locker. It has rubber grippers here for a 7-pound fluke anchor that fits neatly in there, and a center cleat. So when you're anchoring, you're tied off to a center line. While we're up at the bow, one thing you'll notice is just how much room you have on a 21-foot boat. Plenty of room for seating. There's cup holders easily accessible. You have your stainless steel cleats, grab handles, there's speakers in the bow, and plenty of room to stretch out. There are a number of bundle options available for this boat. One would be the comfort bundle, which gets you the bow filler cushion, as well as the bow block off, which is great for extending your season. So you can close this window and you're sheltered from all the wind and the elements. Thanks for joining me today. Again, this is the all-new SPX 210 for 2024. Thanks for watching. To find out more information, contact your regional business manager.